At KidOvation Stage, creativity has always been at the heart of what we do. Our programs were built on a strong foundation of STEAM, theater, and culinary arts, giving students the space to dream, perform, build, and create with their hands and heart. Now, we're expanding the same creative energy into the digital art world and entrepreneurial outreach, helping students turn imagination into innovation. After an incredible summer partnership with a major animation studio, we saw what happens when young minds are given the tools to bring their stories to life through animation, AI, and storytelling. Their creativity soared on screen and in confidence. So this year, we've grown training new instructors in animation, AI, and technology, and bringing these skills directly into schools through specials and after-school programs. But it's bigger than technology. Students learn how creativity connects to real life, how ideas become projects, how projects create value. Through guided challenges and programs like Kiddos for Cash, they explore money and innovation and entrepreneurship in ways that are modern, fun, and hands-on. The world is changing fast. At KidOvation Stage, we're making sure our kids aren't just ready for the future, they're shaping it.